In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files in Figma quickly and easily. If you've ever removed a design file by mistake, don't worry because Figma has a built-in trash area that lets you find and restore deleted files in just a few clicks. This is super helpful when you need to bring back an important project, an old prototype, or a shared team file that was accidentally deleted. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Figma and go to your main Figma file browser or dashboard. This is where you can see your recent files, drafts, and team projects. Once you're on the main screen, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. You should see several options there, and the one you need is Trash. Click on Trash to open the list of deleted files. Now Figma will show you the items that have been removed, so take a moment to browse through that list and look for the file you want to recover. If you have a lot of deleted items, you may need to scan carefully to find the exact project name or file title. Once you locate your missing file, right-click the file name. A menu will appear with different options, and from there, choose Restore. This will send the file back to its original location, so it should reappear where it was before it was deleted. After restoring it, go back to your files or team space and confirm that everything is back in place. It's always a good idea to open the file and make sure your content, pages, and design work are all there. That's all there is to it. You've now recovered a deleted Figma file in just a few simple steps. This is one of those small features that can save you a lot of time and stress, especially when working on shared design projects or important client work. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Figma tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.